Hi everyone, I'm sitting in the new 3-liter CSL, the icon from the past that we just made anew as an homage to 50 years of M. I think this is more or less a boy's dream to be the first one to drive an iconic new car on public roads. From this special iconic car, this future legend, the 3-liter CSL, as a homage to what we started out with as motorsport GmbH 50 years ago, there will be only 50 units. And this one, number 0 of 50, will be on display in the BMW Welt in Munich. So if you want to have a look at it as it is, come to Munich, come to the BMW Welt. It's just here for a couple of days from Friday the 25th of November on.